Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and a school psychologist here to help you, motivate you, inspire you, and guide you onto great successes with your ketogenic diet and lifestyle. Today's subject is a very simple one that a lot of people don't really get to right away with their keto journeys, but I highly suggest it. Investing in a cookbook. Trying a new keto recipe every week can be very helpful in terms of motivation, inspiration, and guiding you to sustaining your keto lifestyle and meeting your ultimate goals. Embarking on the ketogenic lifestyle can be an exciting and transformative journey, as we know, whether you're a seasoned keto enthusiast or someone just dipping their toes into this low carb, moderate protein, high fat lifestyle and way of eating. Variety and creativity in the kitchen are keys to long-term success. One of the best ways to keep your keto journey fresh and vibrant, enjoyable and sustainable is by investing in a quality keto cookbook and committing to trying a new recipe every week. Here's why this small investment can make a big difference to you. Number one, expanding your culinary horizons. The ketogenic diet is often misunderstood as being restrictive or monotonous. Some people imagine it as a diet of endless eggs, bacon, and avocados. While these foods are truly staples, the keto lifestyle offers a vast array of delicious, hearty, and diverse options. A good keto cookbook can introduce you to recipes that you might not have considered ordinarily, from creative breakfast ideas to decadent desserts, all while keeping you within your carb limits. By trying a new recipe each week, you'll expand your culinary expertise and repertoire, discovering new favorite dishes, and keeping your meals exciting. This approach also helps prevent diet burnout, which is common when people stick to the same meals day after day. Number two, it improves your cooking skills. Even if you're already comfortable in the kitchen, following new recipes can really enhance your cooking skills. Keto cookbooks often include techniques and tips tailored to low-carb cooking, such as how to make cauliflower rice that's not soggy, or how to perfectly crisp keto-friendly breading. These skills can be transferred to other dishes, making you a more confident and versatile cook. And from those who are new to cooking or who've relied heavily on processed foods in the past, a keto cookbook can serve as a valuable educational tool for you. It breaks down the steps of cooking whole, nutrient-dense meals, which is essential for maintaining the health benefits of the ketogenic diet and lifestyle. Number three, it helps you stay motivated and on track. One of the challenges of any lifestyle change is maintaining motivation and desire. When you're excited about what you're eating, it's easier to stick to your plan. A keto cookbook can reignite your passion for the diet and lifestyle while offering a variety of recipes that align with your ultimate goals. Moreover, the act of choosing a new recipe each week gives you something to really look forward to. It adds an element of fun and anticipation to your meal planning, which can be especially helpful during those times when sticking to a low-carb diet feels challenging. Number 4, it saves money and you can eat healthier. You know, investing in a keto cookbook might seem like an additional expense, but it can actually save you money in the long run. By cooking at home, you control the quality of your ingredients, portion sizes, and overall nutrition of your meals. This can reduce the temptation to order expensive takeout or dine out at restaurants where you have less control over hidden carbs and unhealthy fats. Additionally, home-cooked meals are almost always healthier than processed or fast foods. You'll avoid the added sugars, preservatives, and unhealthy oils that often sneak into store-bought items. Over time, these healthier choices can lead to improved energy levels, better weight management, and overall well-being. Number 5, it builds a lasting lifestyle. The key to a successful ketogenic diet isn't just in reaching your weight or health goals. It is about creating a sustainable lifestyle ongoing. A keto cookbook becomes a valuable resource that can turn you to again and again, providing inspiration and support throughout your journey. So it's something that you can refer to on an ongoing basis to inspire and motivate you. And by making it a habit to try a new recipe each week, you'll continually reinforce the variety and enjoyment of keto living. This regular practice not only helps you avoid food boredom, but it also ensures the ketogenic diet and lifestyle becomes a lasting and sustainable part of your life. So in conclusion, investing in a keto cookbook and challenging yourself to try a new recipe each and every week is more than just a fun culinary adventure. It's a powerful strategy for sustaining your ketogenic lifestyle. Whether you're just starting or have been living keto for years, this simple commitment can enhance your skills, keep you motivated, and lead to a healthier, more enjoyable way of eating. So go ahead, find a cookbook that excites you, and start exploring the delicious world of keto. And there you are. I hope you found this discussion helpful. Please leave me any comments or questions below this video. Again, I would be very, very honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so very much for doing that. This has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Take good care now. Bye-bye.